So already we have discussed the BCG model, that is Boston Consultancy Group model, which is based on two factors. When we have to take decision, when we have to select a particular kind of strategy, so we basically take two factors as a consideration, like market share and market growth. Okay, that BCG model is based on two factors. Also, that this model is based on two factors, that is G9 cell matrix, that we are going to discuss today itself. Okay, so this GE9 cell matrix model had been given by General Electric Company, that is why this is known as GEC, along with McKinsey and Company, which is from USA, right? It is based on two factors. Rather than market growth and market share, it considered the market attractiveness and business strength. Now, when you will think about this model, the first question comes into your mind: what is market attractiveness and what is yes, what is business strength? Means when we have to take a decision, when we have to pick a particular type of strategy, when we want to invest into a company, should we pump in or pump out our investment? It will based upon the two factors: the industry attractiveness, and second is your strength of doing a business. Okay, so we'll later come to know why this is known as 3 by 3 matrix. It is basically 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 means there will be 9 total. Okay, so when you have to take a decision in this model, so let us come to the next slide. So let us first of all discuss what is the market attractiveness and the business strength. Now the McKinsey matrix identify as two things. One is the attractiveness, you just see on your actually. Okay, so industry attractiveness depends upon some factors. First of all, we will discuss what is industry attractiveness. It depends upon market size. Suppose your product is X. If the market size is too much, so that means the market is very attractive. Suppose you are having a product, there is very small size of that market, that product, so the market attractiveness is small, right? Market growth rate, demand variability. For example, you are selling, suppose this pen to a market. Okay, what is the size of market? What is the demand of this pen in market? If the demand of pen is very high, that means the size of market is very high, the market is very attractive. Then opportunity. So these are the some of the factors on which that market attractiveness is based upon. The next thing is the business strength. Business strength means how much capable you are to exploit a particular type of strategy. Now your strength depend upon market share, how much already you are having the share in the market, means how much already you are selling a particular type of product in market. Then the distribution channel means how many number of channels you are using of a particular product. Suppose you sell your product. So now we'll discuss how this GE9 cell matrix helps the management or helps the company to take the decision regarding investment or to exploit a particular kind of industry or to launch a new product in that type of market or not. So GE9 cell matrix is in front of you. So there are basically, you can see 3 by 3 9 matrix is there. As in case of BCG model, it was 2 by 2. Regarding market share and market size, it tells ki whether we should invest or we should harvest. Here basically there are 9 type of situation is in front of you. On one side, that is vertical side, we are measuring the industry attractiveness, and on the right side, that is horizontal side, we are putting this business unit strength. The industry can be highly attractive, it can be mediocre attractive, it can be very low attractive. I mean, there is no attractiveness of that industry. Then as far as the your strength is concerned, you can be very strong, you can be of average strong, you are very weak in a particular kind of business. So now what you should do in these type of 9 situation? You are very strong, industry is very attractive, it's obvious, you should invest, you should participate in that market. On the other hand, if your strength is average, still industry is very attractive, you should try to capture more and more profits, because industry is very attractive, your little efforts can give you more profits. And lastly, you are not good in that industry, right? But you are very weak, but industry is very attractive. So what you should do, you should hold your investment there, you should try to increase your strength so that you can reap more and more fruits. And then second is mediocre. Industry is not much attractive, it is attractive, but not very high attractive. You are very good in that. So you should participate in that and you should earn more and more profit. And second, you are average in that industry, your experience is not that much, so industry is not much attractive, you should hold your investment rather than getting back, or rather than pumping out your investment, you should try to increase your strength so that you can earn more profit. And lastly, you are very weak in that industry, so you should harvest, you should sink, you should dispose of your investment, you should withdraw your investment in from that industry. The third situation regarding industry attractiveness, that industry is very low attractive, it's not meant for that product. So you are very strong in that, maybe you are having good experience, so you are having good machinery, your staff is very good in that, though you should hold, you should wait when that industry become attractive. Let us say for example of internet, maybe for a company is having uh, good amount of knowledge in internet, but maybe when the beginning internet came into existence, it was not much attractive. So the you can take the example of alibaba.com. So alibaba.com, the founder of this Jack Ma, what he was good in that, but at that time industry was not good. The same thing happened with Flipkart. In the very first 2 months, it didn't get any sale from the online, that is e-commerce platform. So you should hold and you should try to wait when the industry become attractive, so you can reap very high level of profit in that. You are average, you are weak, industry is not good, you should withdraw your investment and you should invest in the fruitful project rather in that product. So that is all about the GE9 cell matrix. Now this is some of the factors on which market attractiveness is concerned. You can see annual market growth rate. If your market growth, if suppose the market growth is very high in an industry, so that industry is very attractive. Market size is very big, so industry is very good. So these are the all about the other. This is about this business trend. So when your market share is good, so you are very much doing well. Your brand is very much known in the market, so it is your strength. Now let us come to the practical example of Maruti Suzuki. As we know that Maruti Suzuki was founded in 1981, we know that there are so many variants of Maruti Suzuki. How it should take decision, how basically it is working in different products like Maruti 800, Omni, Alto, Swift, Swift Desire, A-Star, Gypsy, Wagoner, Ritz, so many brands are there. We know that recently the Maruti has stopped manufacturing Ritz. It has harvested its investment from that. Now let's see some of the example. First is Swift. We should discuss about Swift. In Swift, market share is very high. Sorry, company is having a lot of strength. You know that the mileage is concerned, attractiveness of the brand is concerned. All these things are positive. So what I think Swift is a kind of brand which has given a very good image to Maruti. So company doing what? There is a lot of chances of growth, lot of pumping in of investment is there by the Maruti company. So now in case of Alto, industry attractiveness is medium, the mediocre family people like it. Strength is very good. Maruti is having good amount of strength. There is no still comparison of Alto. So next is A Star. You know that A Star strength is good, but market is not much attractive. Now let us talk about this Omni. Company is not having good strength. There are so many problems in that product. The market is not attractive. Company should harvest. Same is case of Baleno and Versa. So this is about Maruti Suzuki example. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.